Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Cybex Trades, aka Mossy, and let's just get into another trade review. Back at it again on October 9th. And starting off the week red, starting off the day red, two trades, one on Snow and one on Meta. And yeah, let's go and straight up just dive into it. First trade on Meta, it was a pretty straightforward trade, to be honest with you. I just, I had just a poor entry, I think. I mean that's the best way I can say it, to be honest with you, because yeah, looking at this, guys, this is embarrassing, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, besides that, there's really nothing else to do. So off today, off the open, I was watching these levels here, 350, 316.50 for the upside, and mainly this was an upside name. Like we had on Friday, we had a huge strength and rally, and then pre-market we had a gap down. We came up here, we opened here, and opened on around this opening print here, pretty choppy for a little bit in the first 5 minutes, and then just sent it up. And I was watching it, and I was like, cool, we have some volume coming in, everything's strong. And I had a poor entry, to be honest with you, because I think I entered on this candle here. I know I entered on this candle for sure, but I believe I entered possibly here or here, but I'll put it in the middle. Uh, but yeah, I wanted to just get a strength to the upside, but I don't know that the pullback was just really is what got me, because I didn't really have my 9 EMA as it was holding the 9 EMA. I didn't really have it up, and yeah, I entered the 327.5 calls at 158, exited at 140 for $18 loss. And then the next trade here was on Snow. The daily and everything on Meta just looked good, so that's why it was on my watch list. Next trade on Snow, very nice Friday close as well, as you guys can see. And I was watching 160 side watch. This was one of my side watches. Watching 160 for a retest. And as you guys can see, it's sent. You know, like my playlist, my thesis was correct, and we got to the profit target level or price target level that I was looking at. And basically, had this entry here. I thought we were gonna get a 3 bar play. We entered pretty much kind of like right here. 160, I would say 160, 66, 160 around there. Not the closest here, but pretty close nonetheless. Um, no, I believe this is the one. Sorry, I was talking about Meta. I got confused with Meta. But this one's really nice entry. I think I got a decent entry, even though I would have liked to seen a touch here. I didn't. I was just like, okay, this is probably gonna pull back. And yeah, stop loss was pretty much right below this low. So if we were to lose this, I was gonna exit. Um, I wanted to make it 160 below 160, but as you guys can see, the spread difference on the contracts are very volatile. I mean, not volatile, but very the premiums, the way the premiums move on Snow is kind of interesting, because I've never really traded the stock before. So maybe I have in the past once. No, I don't think so. But yeah, I entered here, and then I wanted this 3 bar play to play out immediately, and we didn't really see that. We kind of made a bull flag for the first, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes. So, and then we sent it here, all the way up here. So I wasn't really looking for that. I was hoping to get a basically a once we had this uh, red bar established here. I wanted to see this close, and then I wanted to see another bar just straight up send us to the profit target. And well, that did happen, but at the end of the day, just not the way that I expected it to. So that's why I just took my profit there for $10, I believe. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. Nothing too crazy. Overall, $8 down on the day. Small account sitting at I mean, I'm not buying power. Come on. Small account sitting at 330. Definitely still possible to bring it back. I'm just pretty much, honestly, one thing I'm proud of myself for is I didn't really chase, to be honest with you, on this trade. I accepted the loss too, because it was such a good trade. And on Meta, I kind of did chase, to be honest with you. Like, in a way, the entry was kind of poor, so I didn't want to miss out on the volume and the momentum. But looking in hindsight, like, you could have said, like, yes, you should have entered on the 315.50, but I didn't really establish that as too much of a strong level. 316.50 was one of the more levels that I was watching for, because of the what do you call it? Just the overall. If you look at the bigger time frame here, it was very nice in terms of. Let's see here. If you look at here, it's very nice in terms of the wicks here from previous price action. So if we held that, that gave me confirmation that we could see 317.7 and 319, 320. So that's why that was my main thesis instead of 315.50. Although either way, looking, obviously back in hindsight, both pretty good entries if you were to enter here. But I just wanted to have us hold this 315, 316.50 because of the yesterday's high as well. so it was close to it as well. So it didn't really happen the way I wanted to. Kind of FOMO'd on this entry and paid the price for it. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for today, guys. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.